Hi, this channel is dedicated to promoting and highlighting timeless creations crafted from various mediums such as stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, and glass. These materials have been used to create some of the most remarkable and enduring pieces of art and technology. From intricate designs to innovative solutions, we explore the beauty and functionality of these creations. Here I have for you ZAM's two-piece stainless steel grinder. ZAM is a small business and proud of it. They are based out of Norfolk, Virginia in the USA. Out of 5 being the best and 1 being the worst, I judge the grinder in these categories: magnets and/or threading, design, function, innovation, quality, maintenance, cost. The grinder scored the following: threads and/or magnets. 5. The magnet is capable of holding the grinder's weight. Design. 4. ZAM's two-piece stainless steel grinder is a typical two-piece grinder with no design flaws. Upon inspection it is clear that attention to detail is taken seriously. Function. 5. The grinder grinds smoothly without issue. Innovation. 1. There is nothing new or innovative about this grinder. Quality. 5. This grinder is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. The teeth of the grinder are sharp. Maintenance. 5. Cleaning the grinder is simple and easy. Cost. 4. I purchased the grinder for about $55. This is an affordable stainless steel grinder. Score. 4.1. For a two-piece grinder, this is a great score. A few specs include: weight, 396 grams. Diameter, 63 millimeters. Height, 22 millimeters. Thank you for watching. Please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to this channel. Until next time.